This 2025, isa sa mga trend na nakikita ko sa clinic is wala na ako masyadong patients na gustong magpa-filler. Mas gusto nila skin boosters and biostimulators. Apparently, hindi lang pala ako yung nakakapansin. All over the world, yun na yung trend. No? So more of, rather than doing fillers, more of biostimulators and skin boosters. So bakit kaya, Doc? First, differentiate natin skin boosters versus biostimulators. Skin boosters, they provide hydration sa skin. They improve the quality of the skin. No? So glass skin, pinapa-glow yung skin. Biostimulators naman, they stimulate collagen over time. Iiba nila yung structure ng skin natin. Basically, no, meron yan mga hybrid. So maraming may biostimulatory effects na meron din skin boosting effects. Fillers naman, pagka in-inject siya, they provide immediate volume. For example, cheek fillers. So pag nag-inject tayo ng filler sa cheeks, uumbok siya agad. Same with the nose, with the lips, with the under eyes. So basically, instantly, mag-volumize yung areas. One reason why I think people prefer biostimulators and skin boosters now is because ayaw ng mga tao na ngayon ng sobrang halata. Kasi minsan, pag nagpa-filler, it's in your face na may something na ginawa sa'yo. Whereas, skin boosters and biostimulators, parang gumanda yung skin mo or nag-improve yung quality ng skin mo. Pero, hindi ma-pinpoint exactly kung ano yung pinagawa mo, which is yun yung prefer ng ibang patients na ngayon. Actually, majority. In short, one reason is mas prefer na ngayon ng patients ng parang natural glow and skin quality na maganda versus obvious na may pinagawa sa face. Secondly, yung longevity. No? So, usually fillers last at least 6 to 12 months, while biostimulators like Juvelook, it will continue to stimulate collagen for 1 to 2 years. So basically, although mas gradual yung pag-stimulate niya ng collagen, mas natural, pero mas long-lasting siya. Third, no, yung mga biostimulator natin and skin boosters, meron din yan preventatory effects. No? So ibig sabihin, pre-rejuvenation, habang maaga pa, uunahan mo na, lalabanan mo na yung aging. Kasi ang fillers, parang inantay mo nang mawala yung collagen, kaya kailangan mo na talagang i-fill. Parang ang trend ngayon, bata pa lang or not even bata, like 30s, no? Pwede na mag-skin boosters and biostimulators para ma-delay yung aging process natin. Kasi ang fillers, hindi niya na-delay ang aging. It will just instantly volumize the area. If you're interested in skin boosters, no? So ang main na ina-offer namin sa clinic is Redura. Favorite yan ng patients. Talagang nag-glow yung skin nila. We also have Profhilo, which is a hybrid of, meron kasi din siyang collagen-inducing effect. So, biostimulator na siya, ano pa siya, skin booster. Ang ganda niyan for lifting, for tightening the skin, and also giving hydration. Then last, we have Juvelook, which is more of a biostimulant, but it also has skin